Consider the polar function r theta equals 2 plus 3 cos theta for everything in between 0 and 2 pi. At which angle does the function attain its maximum value? I'm not going to draw the polar coordinate of this. I'm going to just draw the regular old trig version of it. It's a cos theta. It goes up 2, peaks out 1, 2, 3 more because that's the amplitude, which means it bottoms out at -1. So it literally starts at 0, 5, and then repeats its process at 2 pi. All right, so without doing too much, I know this is going to look like this. So it begins at its maximum and ends at its maximum. Okay, and we're including both the beginning and the end if we want to, so 0 or 2 pi is an option. 0 is not an option, but there you are, 2 pi, so let's go with u. So remember, when I were to graph this, or if I were to graph this on a coordinate plane, it'll have some circular shape. And whatever that circular shape is, it's going to start and end furthest away from the pole. And that's what we're doing.